Hi, I'm Zach, and welcome to Zachcast. Do balls have taste buds? Let's find out. Okay, guys, wiener's coming out. Just be forewarned. Hopefully, it stays behind.
I made that announcement every time I take my pants off at home.
I don't like that sound. It sounds like you're peeing in it.
Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's expired. Alright, here we go.
It expires?
No, you're not looking.
Okay, teriyaki?
Whoa!
Okay. Did I get it right?
Can you taste it?
This is where you guys clap. I got it right.
Wait, no, that's
Ta-da!
no, that's soy sauce. You got it wrong.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
I have a question.
But
Since you can't show your penis anyways, why don't you just fake it?
what?
You can't show your penis or your balls anyway, so why don't you just pretend you're dipping it in something? Why you have to?
Shut up, Morgan. That's not how science works.
Nobody's gonna know.
Don't listen to her. Here, we read this one first.
Morgan?
Mm-hmm.
You guys want to stick my balls and stuff?
Alright,
Use mine.
next
It
one.
might work better.
Okay. I did that. I have a bad feeling about that one. I'm gonna stick my balls in that one. Where did you? Was it?
Do it, Zach. Dip your balls.
It's not a rat trap, is it? Okay. Not a rat trap. Ew! Oh. Ranch. Is it ranch?
No.
What is it?
You got it right.
Are we pretending?
Oh, what is it? Ew, what is that? What is... Oh!
It was just chili, man.
It's just chili?
Yeah.
What's in your chili?
I don't know. My grandpa made it.
No, he didn't. Oh, God, that was gross. That was so... Okay, 0 for 2.
Alright.
Can't use the same one twice.
Haven't.
That's the time you pie him. In the face. Pow!
Teriyaki.
No, I don't think you can taste your balls, man.
It's definitely ranch.
What?
Yeah, that was ranch.
No, it's not. No! I was super confident about that one.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is like not working, man.
Okay, I'm only 0 for 3. Are you pouring 2 different things over there to throw me off?
Yes.
Shut up, DJ!
It's just not in the bowl.
I knew I heard pocket. That makes more sense then.
He's just making lots of noise so you can't tell what it is.
Right.
Hey, PJ.
What?
Do you know what happens when you combine Knicks and Lakers?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? I was adjusting it.
That looks bad. That looks real bad.
Oh, this really... What do you mean it looks bad?
I think that's expired.
I want to get my nuts in it.
Won't be able to taste it anyways.
Yeah. Your science is bullshit.
Okay, teriyaki.
Literally the only thing I didn't put in there.
God damn it! Would you put multiple things in here? No, you're supposed to put one thing in here. What's in there? Oh, dude, get that out of here. Hey, will you make sure it's still recording?
It's still recording.
Oh, is there Bengay in there?
No.
Was there Bengay? Was there some icy hot in one of them?
No.
You fucking asshole! You asshole! You put icy hot in it, didn't you?
I mean, it was so long ago I can't remember.
What do you mean you can't remember? Kidding!
Oh god, your reaction's great.
You're not supposed to put it on your balls.
No, you're not supposed to put it on your balls.
He's supposed to break it, get you to put it on your balls.
It costs $4.
Where?
So that's gonna be $4, please.
I don't know what to do for an outro.